Hello, my name is Ivana Petreska. I'm 21 years old and I am currently in my third year of university in Skopje, Macedonia. I would like the chance to work in the United States of America due to the fact that it would provide me with a chance to experience a different culture as well as earn money in order to help support for my family in Macedonia. I would like to save up money to pay for the rest of my university education. I would like to continue my studies to get my master's degree. I would like this job because I really want to come to North Dakota and see what it has to offer. I would like to say something about myself. I'm very good in handling stressful situations and working under pressure. I'm very organized and I like to meet new people and visit as much places as I can. I'm very flexible and I have the ability to multitask. I am energetic and I have a positive attitude. I am a team player and I am highly motivated. I'm willing to travel all or relocate if necessary. I'm easy to talk to. I have experience in working as a waitress in Macedonia and as salesperson in clothing store. Both jobs have gave me extremely helpful um, in in providing my people skills. I hope that I will get this chance to come to the United States and work with my four friends from Macedonia. We know each other our whole life and we communicate with each other very well. We are very open to any kind of work and we adapt with people and places excellent. I would like to be in a surrounding that is much different than my certain surrounding. I would love to the chance to live and work in a multicultural country that is the United States, learn the language and embrace myself in a culture that is much different from the one I've been raised in. I hope that whoever is watching this will consider my big wish for a valuable work experience as well as a learning and growing as a person and professionally. And I hope I will get the chance to come to the United States of America and meet my future employees. I hope we'll see each other soon. Bye for now.